also and welcome to Gordon Guitar. This one is for my friends in France or all the French-speaking countries. This is ZAHO, the song called Solo, and it's featuring Tayc. Alright, so that's the name, not Tayc or Tayc or Tayc or something like that. Tayc. Alright, anyway, let's start this one up. No need for any capo on this one, and we have 3 different chords. We will have them in bar chords, so we'll start with the G sharp. So that's a bar here on the 4th fret over all strings. And the rest will be 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. So that's the G sharp. Then you go to the A sharp, you just take the same grip and move it towards you 2 frets. So you land here with the bar on the 6th fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 8 on A, 8 on D, and 7th on G. That's the A sharp, and the final chord will be a G minor. So you slide down to this position, bar on the 3rd fret over all strings again, and then the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D, and that is the G minor. So G sharp, A sharp, and G minor. The chord progression will be just like that: the G sharp, A sharp, G minor, and back to G sharp. So it starts and it ends with G sharp. So okay, but we will look at the strumming pattern now. So let's grab that G sharp chord. One round of it will be down, up, clap, down. So that's one round. So down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down. All right. So down, up, clap, down. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds for each chord. So G sharp, 2 rounds, and A sharp, G minor, and back to G sharp. And again, G sharp, guys, so that is a song called Solo. Give it a try. A great way to practice your grip here with your left hand. Just play bar chords and move it around like this, and yeah, really train your strength there to keep it up throughout the whole entire song with just bar chords. So a great way of practicing that. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please thumb up, help me out here. I love your support. So thank you for watching and play tuned.